Okay, so today we are going to recreate a tablescape that I saw on CB2. I absolutely love it. It's very modern, it's elegant, sophisticated, and I want to recreate that same look. However, we're not going to buy our vases from CB2. We are going to use vases that I have thrifted and that I've picked up from the Dollar Tree. And these are just two of the vases that I'm going to use. Now, I will put up a photo of the inspiration tablescape here. I love everything about it, and we're not going to duplicate it exactly. However, we're just going to be inspired by this look, and that is how we're going to put it together. So you'll notice that in the inspiration photo, there's a vase that has a lot of texture to it. Today, we are going to recreate that texture, but we are going to be using these glasses or these vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and our handy dandy glue gun. So what we're going to do is just create those same lines on our vase. Very simple. We're just going to run a bead of hot glue all the way around. And we're just going to repeat the process to give us that same look. Alright guys, so here are our finished vases. I love them. I love the texture, and I think they mimic the vases that I saw at CB2 perfect. Guys, so this is how our vases have turned out, and I love the detail. It's given it the texture that I need, and it looks very similar to the vases from the Crate and Barrel photo, which is my Pinterest inspired inspiration. And I'll put up a photo here so you can take a look. And now, as you can see, they have a smaller candle holder, and then inside it has a little tea light candle. So we are going to DIY that effect as well. So I found these jumbo straws on Amazon, and they were $5.99. So we're going to use one of these. And also, I wanted some clear tea light, so I found this pack of 50, and they were like $16. I didn't think that was too bad. They look very modern and elegant, very elevated in look, so we're going to use that as well. So we're going to take our straw, plain clear jumbo straw, again it's from Amazon, and we are going to cut the straw, and then we're going to take, so let me move this over so you can see, some hot glue, and we're going to glue our little straw here down to the bottom of our glass jar, like so. You can see that. And then we're going to take one of our tea lights and we're just going to put a little hot glue on the bottom of it. And then we're going to set it on top and try to center it as best as possible. And we're going to let that dry. So now we have the look of the other candle votive holder, and I absolutely love the look. So we have recreated our Crate and Barrel inspired vases for pennies on the dollar, and we're going to get the same look for less. So let me put it all together and I'll come back and show you what we've done. All right, friends, so this is how our vases have turned out, and I am absolutely thrilled. As you can see, we have our vases from the Dollar Tree that we did a DIY technique on. We also have our DIY votive holder in the back, and I have this clear glass candle holder that I thrifted many months ago from the Goodwill, and I have just put on it the candle that we cut in half to make it into a smaller pillar candle. I think it does the job just as well, and it didn't cost us any more money because it's something that I had already picked up while I was out shopping. It was a pack of 3 for $9. So we just doubled our money. And then these little babies, I picked these up, I don't know, maybe 6 months or so ago from Amazon. And I think they were about $25 to $30. If I am thinking correctly. I will put a link for them down below, but everything else has been thrifted. And I absolutely love how it came together. I think it mimics our Pinterest inspired photo very well, and I will put up the photo here. We are not trying to copy the style, but we are trying to get a similar look, and I think we have achieved that result. I absolutely love how this came together. Now it goes to show you, you do not have to spend tons of money to make your house look elegant and expensive. I think these thrifted items still give an expensive and elevated look, and we probably spent all together about $40, and one of those candles on Crate and Barrel cost that, like the larger one, it's $40. So I think we did an excellent job. So if you have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you to think outside the box, please hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have enjoyed today's inspiration, make sure you stick around because I have lots more home decor DIYs coming up that I think you will enjoy. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of our DIY vases. I love them, and I hope you do as well. So, that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.